Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
U.S. Justice Department says $500 in fiat and crypto from hacker connected to DVRK. Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco said authorities relied on victims to report attacks as soon as those crimes occur to help recover funds. The United States Department of Justice has said in return roughly $500,000 in fiat and crypto from a hacking group tied to the North Korean government, which included two crypto payments made by U.S. healthcare provider. In a Thursday announcement, the Justice Department said in conjunction with the FBI that had investigated a $100,000 ransomware payment in Bitcoin from a Kansas hospital to a North Korean hacking group in order to regain access to its system, as well as one $200 in BTC payment from a medical provider in Colorado to one of the wallets connected to aforementioned attack. In May, the FBI filed a seizure warrant to funds from the two ransom attacks in another lottery to China, which the Justice Department referred as worth roughly $500,000 total. These sophisticated criminals are constantly passing boundaries to search for ways to export money from victims by forcing them to pay ransom in order to regain control of their computer and record system, said Dustin Sklinkar, U.S. Attorney from the District of Kansas. What these hackers don't count in the sentencing of the U.S. Justice Department in recovering and returning these funds to the grateful owners. U.S. Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco said in speech for the International Conference on Cybersecurity on Thursday that authorities relied on victims from the private sector to report ransomware attacks and other as soon as those crimes occur. If you report that attack, if you report the ransom demand and payment, if you work with the FBI, we can take action. We can follow the money and get it back. We can have refund the next attack, the next victim, and we can hold cyber criminals accountable. Those companies that work with us will see that we stand with them in the affirmative and inside. Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco said authorities rely on victims to report attacks as soon as those crimes occur to help recover funds. The United States Department of Justice has said in return roughly $500 in fiat and crypto from a hacking group tied to North Korea government, which included two crypto payments made by U.S. healthcare provider. In a Thursday announcement, the Justice Department said in conjunction with the FBI that it had investigated a $100,000 ransomware payment in Bitcoin from a Kansas hospital to a North Korean hacking group in order to regain access to the system, as well as a $20,000 in BTC payment from a medical provider in Colorado to one of the wallets connected to the aforementioned attack. In May, the FBI filed a seizure warrant to funds from the two ransom attacks and other lotteries to China, which a Justice Department referred as worth roughly $500,000 total. This sophisticated criminal as constantly passing boundaries to search for.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.